Hi guys, I'm Christina and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for this video I'm gonna be showing you guys a new concealer that I've been using, drugstore, and the price of it is only £4. Yes, £4. The concealers that I'm talking about are the new concealers from Makeup Revolution. So these are Conceal and Define, Full Coverage, Conceal and Contour. So these are how they look, and they came out with, I think it was 18 shades. I've gone out and I've bought some. Well, I've only bought two because I would say C13 is probably my exact color, and then C12 would be just a shade higher, even though if you can see that there is a big gap in between, but C12 still actually works for me for like a really good highlight, but this is my actual color. But yeah, I've bought both of those to test them out, and I've been wearing them for the last couple of days and I love it. I really like Makeup Revolution anyway. Like, I do use their setting powder. I have two of their setting powders, which is, the first one I bought was the banana powder. When I first bought this, it was a bit too light, so I'm happy that they did come out with this color, which is terracotta, and that is more my shade. I think this is more like too light on me or too bright on me. So what I do actually mix them together, and that's what I use to as my baking powder. But yeah, enough talking and whatnot. I'm gonna show you guys the new products and show you guys how I put them on, and you can see how it looks on me. So if you want to do like a shade match or whatever, because before I bought this I had to watch a couple of videos because I hate buying stuff and then it's not my color type of thing. So I make sure I check out a couple people. I'm like, okay, that color's close to me, this color's close to me. But anyway, without the long talking, because I'm rambling now, I'm gonna start with the video. Because I've got two, what I'm gonna do is I'll probably use one on one side, as in C12 on one side, and I'll use C13 on the other side. I'll start off with C12, which is the lighter color. So when you open it, it does have like an applicator that you can use to put it on the area straight away, instead of obviously having to pump it out onto your hand or whatever. But I don't really mind this, to be honest. I prefer this because then obviously I don't have to be like using brushes and stuff like that, so I don't mind. So yeah, I'm just gonna start by concealing my eye, my under eye. And then I'm going to use C13 to do the rest of my face and the other eye. You can actually really see the difference. I'm going to blend everything out because I don't like to keep it on too long. It is quick drying, so okay, so since that's done now, I'm going to take some of the mix Makeup Revolution powders and I'm going to set my eye with that. And then I don't really keep it on for too long, to be honest, and I'm going to wipe it off. Right guys, this is what it looks like after I've applied my powder and stuff. I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the finishing look. I'll quickly run through some pros and cons of it. As I said, it is £4. I got mine in Superdrug, so that's even better. You don't have to be hunting down for this product. You can also order online. Another thing about it is the texture. I like the texture of it, as in it's not like thick, but it's not watery either. So once you put it where you want it, it stays there in place. And the applicator, straight to your face, easy to apply, no pumping and getting rid of product wasting. That's even better. The only thing I would say is not even bad. The downside to this concealer is that obviously there's 18 shades, but not a lot of darker shades, I would say. So if you are in between colors, it's like either you mix, or they don't even have like really like darker colors. So even so, some people probably wouldn't even be able to get that, but it is the beginning of their concealer line, and hopefully they will the next time when they update it, then it will be even better. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this helped with getting what shade you want to get. And yeah, as I said, £4, you can't go wrong with that, can you? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe so you can keep up to date with everything that I post, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.